Good morning.
Good morning, Your Holiness.
Namaste, namaste.
Welcome. Namaste. And we are extremely fortunate. We are extremely blessed by your presence today. And the Indian Police Foundation, the entire Indian police fraternity is extremely blessed. And we begin the program now. My name is N. Ramachandran. I'm the president of the Indian Police Foundation.
Thank you. Indeed, I feel very happy. I'll say some talk, exchange views, ideas with my Indian friend, general, particularly police force. Now, almost whole my life, I always with some security person. And 9 years in Tibet with Chinese police. Since 59 and 60, with Indian police. With Indian police.
Can you go to the other room, other place?
I notice, you see, both taking care of protecting me, but differences. Chinese police, of course, Chinese communist. You see, their police. It seems to see two responsibility. One, taking care me, protect me. One, also you see, watching me. Then the Indian police, very sincere, very sincere. And then China, I think, most population-wise, is the number one country, most populated nation, but no freedom. Although very ancient cultural heritage, and China historically as a Buddhist country, but you see there are a lot of change there. Basically, you see. Totalitarian regime. Now India, genuine, you see, freedom, democracy. The number two most populated nation, meantime, completely freedom. So look, India, all major world religious tradition live together. I noticed, you see, when I met Indian Muslim, they never show some sort of uncomfortable feeling between Shia and Sunni. Nothing. So this country, over 1,000 years, the Indian spiritual, over 3,000 years, ahimsa, karuna. So this country, till now, you see, carry these principles. So democracy, very fit, you see, this idea. Respect all religion and all different group of people. Like I said, I think India South Indian, North Indian, you see different part of Indian, even different language, different script, but all, you see, very happy remain within the union of India, Indian Republic. So this is really, I think, example to whole world. Different people, different language, even if it's different religion, but can live together according principle of non-violence and karuna. So the Indian police was actually a protector of karuna and ahimsa. So I really happy with Indian police. No fear. Whenever I met, no fear. Every morning, you see, they look down, some police there, and I express my greeting, and then you see, some would say, some jokings, mainly these Indian police is who take care of me day and night according principle of ahimsa and karuna. Wonderful, wonderful. So these now present generation of Indian now should pay more about ancient your tradition or thought, ahimsa, karuna, particularly karuna, very important. So that I always share with my Indian friend. So now here also is I want to tell you. And then India, as I mentioned earlier, one of the biggest democratic country, now protect this country. Not just its border or these things, but protect 1,000-year-old India's tradition. Very important. These karuna, ahimsa, you see, these Indian tradition actually world need. In modern time, the Western world, mainly Britisher, introduce modern education, modern technology, including science, these things, useful. But meantime, you see, you should try to preserve your own 1,000-year-old tradition. That world need. I often telling in previous century, the Mahatma Gandhi, according to ahimsa, you see, he propagate. Firstly, he practiced within the country freedom struggle through non-violence. And then many parts of the world very much attracted Mahatma Gandhiji's non-violent struggle. So, number of people in South Africa and also in America, they later, because Martin Luther King, sincerely follow Mahatma Gandhiji. You see, his, I think, widow, wife, you see, once told me, Karsa, Martin Luther King, so much attracted towards Mahatma Gandhiji's non-violence and Karuna. So he even wanted to dress like Mahatma Gandhiji used to dress. His, the late wife, you see, once told me like that. So there are many people who really so much attracted towards Mahatma Gandhiji's sort of way of thinking, way of life. So when India got independence, leader like Mahatma Gandhiji and also Pandit Nehru or Rajendra Prasad, all these, I think, really, you see, I'd say, they with Indian tradition. So you see, this big country, different language, different script, but all happily live together in India, Indian Republic. So now India, you see, as I mentioned earlier, in previous century, Mahatma Gandhiji show world non-violence. Now today, India should show rest of the world different language, different sort of custom, different sort of religion can live happily together. So there are so many problems, you see, due to different races, different culture, different religion. So India should be sort of example of different language, different script, different religion can live together happily. So now this 21st century, either 20th century and 21st century, I think you Indian should make effort to promote real harmony among human beings or different nations. Because now today, you see, the concept of, I usually just telling, we all over 7 billion.
7 billion.
Ka.
7 billion.
7 billion.
Oh, 7
billion.
Oh, billion, 7 billion human being, actually same human being. I fully sort of believe we are same human being. Different nation, different races, different culture, different language, different religion is secondary. The number one, we all same human being. And more important, we have to live together on this planet. So therefore, the concept of oneness with this concept of belief, wherever I go, I always feel I visit another human group. Different culture, different nationality, different religion is secondary. Important is we are same human being. We have to live together. So according Indian tradition, ahimsa and karuna, I carry, you see, with that principle. So wherever I go, I always feel it is our home, same home. So that's, I think, key point. There are so many conflicts on the basis of small differences. And firstly, different nationality and different religion, these things. So India now, because of the 21st century, I think India can show rest of the world different culture, different religion. We can. These are minor. We are same human being. We have to live together. And according to today's reality, global economy. And then on top of that, the global warming. That also whole world now facing the same problem. No differences of nationality or like that. So I appreciate Indian police, you see, protecting not only just one nation, but with, the nation with the concept of world need these concepts. So you are protecting that country with that ideology. So I very much appreciate